Still inside the nature park. It's a big place, isn't it?
You're gonna walk almost like 2.23.
Here's another mound here.
Yeah.
This seems like
Well,
it's
it's a
abandoned
really,
now, isn't it?
That's an old one.
It's an old one,
like
yeah.
nearly 50, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
So it's
Wow.
a really old one. And more of that parasite tree, the triangular fig tree.
Here's the next one again.
Another one.
He's strangling a fig tree here. Okay, does it? I thought it was only palm tree that is strong. Oh, it's a palm tree. It's a palm tree here as well. Yeah?
Come here in a couple of years and see. It's just gonna eat that and kill
Whoa,
it.
look how lovely this is, like an artwork.
Going, yeah.
This tree go like a artwork. Look at it. Yeah, very special. Very special tree that is. Yes, it's actually strangling a palm tree at the moment. How long that would take, you said? A couple of years?
Yeah, a couple of years.
To finish it off?
Yeah, it will suck all the nutrients.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need lots of them in the nature.
Yeah.
It just kills all the
Just
trees.
killed, right.
It only depends on trees. Any questions to ask?
Well,
If you mind, feel free.
Well, got lots of questions like in the night, do people actually walk through in the night as well, or they just leave it alone?
Not really, well, because
It's a bit
people,
scary.
yeah,
People will be scared in the
to
night.
walk in
Yeah, well, I would scare to walk in here.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, well, I'm definitely scared if me one walk through here now. Not scared because of the trees or nothing, just in case a wild animal,
Not gonna lie, it's like
a wild animal actually escape from somewhere and actually lurking in here.
the only thing you have to just watch out for is the snakes.
The snakes,
Yeah.
okay.
For the snakes, when they feel like you are coming to them, they just run away.
Just run away.
Unless you feel like you
Look like one was here.
That's a monkey.
Oh, that's a monkey scratch there.
I just saw one somewhere here, but disappeared now.
Right.
That was the one killing down here.
Disappeared. There's another one of the tree
There's
there.
another one.
Yeah. Wow. Soon on palm tree won't be leaving this nature park here. It's nice and cool in here. So birds, like lots of birds in here as well.
Yeah, we got
Different.
lots of birds. Like, there's some special birds that you can only come to this park to see them.
To see them,
Like
okay.
the green trackle.
The green tracker.
Yeah, the green trackle.
Okay.
It's very hard to see it anywhere in the Gambia, but most bird watchers and that will come here just to sight it.
Okay.
But yeah, it's a good place for bird watching.
Yeah.
I into birds much.
I like birds, but I don't really watch them. I just I just like to, when I saw them, when I see them, like I will have a look at them. Yeah. Very thick canopy as well. Very thick. Okay. That's another bridge coming up there. Water is water again.
Yeah. No, it's just been caught by the erosion during the rainy season.
Okay.
So we're trying to still under construction there. So
Okay.
just be careful when doing that.
Right, so
Just a waterway. So
right, like a
and just a bird sunbathing right there, right on top of that tree.
right there.
And that's a yellow-billed kite.
Just
I don't know if you
chilling.
can, yeah, it's just like
Yeah,
getting that
get some
sunshine.
sun.
Because what they do with that is like they're good inside. Remember, I could say like mice and ticks and that in their feathers.
Yeah.
So when they just spread it out in the sun, they just help them to kill them and
Oh.
also make their feathers stronger. With
Stronger.
the nutrients in them.
Okay, to get energy from the sun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it makes them stronger and then also kills some like the ticks and that in their feathers.
Right.
Oh, look at that.
Woo!
Ah,
I just missed that.
a monitor lizard.
There was monitor lizard there.
You can go nice and slow. Hopefully they might stay there for you.
What they attack me?
No, they won't attack you.
There's his tail there.
You can go close.
No, I'm not. It's reptile, isn't it? There's his
But
tail
they're
there.
cool, man.
Yeah.
They
Them
won't
cool.
die. They only,
Was a pair of them there, isn't it?
yeah, it was that kind of mating, I think.
Yeah.
So with these monitor lasers, they use their tails as a weapon.
Yeah, no.
Or you don't gonna get whipped by them, man.
Yeah.
So yeah, they will be like that, and then
Whoop. Yeah.
yeah, man.
So there's a lot of monitor lizards in here. as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
Okay.
And now during the dry season, that's where they come out most, right?
When?
Like during the dry season, is
Okay.
their breeding time, so they will come out and do this.
Okay.
Yeah. That's a little bee eater. This bird here, just chilling.
Bee.
This one, yeah, little bee eater.
Yeah. Yeah.
And there is more just behind us on top of those small pines there. Then chilling on this side here.
Yeah, there they
there's
are
a
there.
bear.
There they are there. Okay. A nice bird.
Yeah.
Them ones are nice.
Now I'm
Like
praying
little
now.
parakeets, don't they? They like little parrots there. There they are. Zoom them up. Easily.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, no problem. And this tree with
Hello,
the big leaves is like a cabbage tree, known as the cabbage tree.
I want a cabbage.
Cabbage tree.
Yeah. It's a nice tree, that
Very
is.
nice.
Cabbage tree.
See that?
Oh.
In this, it was like a bat. Kind of like a
There's lots of birds now. Just start to see the birds them here.
Or
now.
is it like tiny
Yeah.
and black in color?
No, it wasn't black, but it was like a bat. His wings were like a bat. But it was small.
Yeah, it's a black palm sweet.
Wow.
It's a sweet. But they're cool. This here is a mango tree.
Yeah, mango tree. That.
Yeah. And the favorite indica in
Oh, mango tree.
mango tree. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And this was the kaba I was telling you, but this is like a small one.
Alright, that's
The
a
Saba
very good
Senegalense thingy.
one. Alright.
That's the one here. There's more in there.
Okay.
You got any like mosquito repellents with that? Do you got any mosquito repellents on you?
Mosquito.
You're gonna get mosquito repellent.
No, we still like
Repellent?
yeah.
Have you got some?
No, I don't. Do you?
No.
Why is that mosquito down here?
Like you got like maybe when it's a bit hot now, you got tsetse flies. I will kind of give you a like, little nip and that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Part of the leg.
Okay.
They'll nip,
Yeah, I've only just
they'll
started
nip
to
the
get
women, but they won't nip the men.
Just started to get big.
Yeah. But they're just telling you to welcome you now.
Yes.
Kind of welcome you. But you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Take your word on it.
That's a bird, a bacon,
Yeah,
Western great plantain eater.
Big one that is.
Western great plantain eater.
Yeah. Plantain eater.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
Pair of them. There's another one on the right hand.
Yeah.
it's like a parrot.
Yeah, well, like not big.
Yeah, it's like a parrot.
Yeah.
Like, there's just more of them on that palm tree.
Yeah, they are there.
Oh, yeah.
Now you see more birds, and the further you go in, the more you go into the canopy, more.
The more birds you get.
Yeah.
And like the sun is cooling down. now,
Yeah.
so all the birds will come out. But during the day, they just hide out when it's hot.
Right.
So right now they just come out and get some water and find some food.
Okay. Quite a big reserve.
Yeah, it is.
Very massive, very big.
Huge, man. Yeah. Like a proper exercise.
Yeah.
Walking it.
Yeah.
And the distance from the entrance to where we go, where the animal orphanage is,
Yeah.
almost like 2.23 kilometers.
Why?
It's a good exercise.
Good
after
exercise.
walking it.
And this is only the one way to go in.
Well, we could have used another way, but right now there's like lots of water, so we can't
Okay.
access it with our boots and that.
Oh,
So
okay.
unless you're ready for it with
Right.
waterproof boots and that.
Right.
So unfortunately, we're gonna come back the same way
Right.
until the place is dry.
Is there any fruits in here that eatable fruits that human fruits you can eat?
Yeah, like hopefully the Therium senegalensis
Yeah.
and
Mango.
mango.
Yeah, it's in mango up there.
Well, mango tree you will be very lucky to
Is it-
find one because of the monkeys.
The monkeys, they like
They won't
mangoes.
spare you. And also these Saba senegalensis,
Yeah.
climber trees.
Okay.
Because we got it's like it's well popular in the Gambia when it's decision, like the kaba.
Yeah.
It's locally known as kaba.
Yeah.
So people will use salt, pepper, and
Make it.
Yeah, and make it. Or they just use sugar and put some juice, water on it, and to
Right.
make a kaba juice.
Right.